Today marks exactly 6 months since the Centers for Disease Control declared COVID-19 a pandemic. Fox 11's Scott Sheehan breaks down how it has impacted every part of our lives since that day, March 11th.
Love and value your loved ones.
The COVID-19 pandemic changed life as we know it around the world and here at home. 192,000 Americans have died, 14,000 of them Californians, and more than 250 in Santa Barbara, San Luis Obispo, and Ventura counties. Santa Barbara County's first COVID-19 death was reported on April 1st. 65-year-old Bernabe Ortega from Guadalupe.
It was really hard because we never thought it would actually be COVID.
Business closures started locally at the beginning of March. Around the same time, health experts started stressing the importance of hygiene.
The importance of good hand hygiene, of good respiratory etiquette, coughing into your elbow, washing your hands. Ideally, whenever there's soap and water available, we encourage that, making sure that you wash for 20 seconds.
On March 18th, Santa Barbara County schools went virtual. The next day, March 19th, Governor Gavin Newsom issued a stay-at-home order, which is still in effect, but with some changes. And on April 1st, public health started encouraging people to wear masks. As of June 18th, face coverings are required in public spaces, especially when physical distancing isn't possible.
We're making changes to our public parks.
In the spring, the city of Santa Barbara closed its skate park and took down volleyball nets. Ventura County closed beaches to leisure activities. Graduations were canceled and later held virtually or physically distant. The pandemic crushed the economy. In January, California hit a record low at 3.9% unemployment. In March, almost 100,000 jobs were lost. In April, 2.3 million jobs gone. In total, 2.6 million jobs disappeared. By July, less than a third had returned.
They're walking along a long path, a tough path, and the ice is getting thinner and thinner, and it's a matter of time before more and more will fall through.
Locally, unemployment peaked in April, hitting roughly 14% in the Tri-County area. It was the push in late March for Takeout Tuesday to help remind people to eat and shop local. But heading into Memorial Day weekend, a turnaround. Counties began reopening, indoor dining was allowed briefly, but then that changed when cases started peaking again. On August 20th, the city of Santa Barbara confirmed its 1,000th case. But the pandemic showed us there's always a silver lining.
Wow.
We saw the community come together. Sheriff deputies encouraging physical distancing with a TikTok dance. Local businesses donating flowers, food, and money to first responders and food banks. One Santa Barbara neighborhood came up with a game for people out walking. While stores cleared of supplies like toilet paper and cleaning wipes in March, shelves are restocked again. And many people have embraced the new normal. One of the biggest concerns to this day is the uncertainty of how long the pandemic will last. But the family of the man who was first to die of COVID-19 in Santa Barbara County says don't let our guards down.
Somebody can just be, you think they're normal and get it, be positive, and die from it.
Public health experts say the better job we do at physical distancing and wearing masks, the sooner we can return to normal. In Santa Barbara County, Scott Sheehan.